Hello everyone, my name is Liz and I want to talk to you about an experience that combines two deeply transformative practices, art and meditation. The brand Viviva has created an art meditation kit, especially designed for those seeking a deeper connection with themselves through creativity. This kit includes everything you need for a journey of introspection and serenity. Art and meditation go hand in hand because both invite us to be present. While painting, we can set aside the worries of a daily life, focused on the color, shapes, and sensation, allowing the mind to calm. It's a moment to connect with our inner self and express the words can always capture. Meditation helps us center the mind and art gives us the freedom to express ourselves. So, I invite you to take a moment for yourselves, light the incense, listen the playlist, and let the watercolors and mandalas guide you in a unique experience of meditation through art.